very, very warm welcome to MoTV. Today, you all know it's a very, very special day. So today we complete 1 year of MoTV. 24th of March, we had started with MoTV. The moment the pandemic happened and the lockdown was announced.
Happy anniversary.
So, thank you. So you can see the decorations at the back. So, this virtual platform is which has kept us all together through the pandemic, where we were all so restricted to the walls of our home, and we were all unable to see, meet, and greet our loved ones. And that was the time when MoTV kept us connected to each other. It kept us engaged and it kept us entertained all through these difficult times of COVID. And let me tell you all that it really wouldn't have been possible without each and every one of you and the entire Emoha family members. Please accept our heartfelt thanks for holding our hands and bringing us to this glorious day of completing 1 year, when we celebrate our anniversary. And we hope we keep celebrating it for many, many more years. And इसकी जर्नी में आपको थोड़ा सा बताऊंगी अभी कि how we really began and how we have reached, 1 year. So 22nd of March is the day that the lockdown happened. And I still remember that Somajit had called me up, and 22nd only he had called me up. Ritu, why don't we do something like this? Get everyone on Zoom and prepare something for them. Events to ab honge nahi, sab kuch band ho gaya. And I also said, yes, okay, fine, we'll think about it and we will do something. 23rd, he called me up again and he said, Ritu, we need to launch it right now. I said, we can't do it in one flat day. हमारे पास कोई है नहीं, हमें Zoom खुद नहीं इतना use करना आता, because all of us were not really using it as such. But then knowing Somajit's drive, he had just said that नहीं, हम elders को ऐसे नहीं छोड़ सकते बिल्कुल भी. This is the time when they need us the most. So we have to do something. And overnight, we all worked towards it. We had no guest speakers. We did not know how to go about it. Our elders did not know how to, use the Zoom. So the relationship manager started calling out, telling the elders to join in. We prepared something. And 24th of March, early morning, we sat there with the first physiotherapy show, with Anurag taking a physiotherapy session. Then we had a doctor session. We had a dietitian session. And evening, of course, as you all know, is engagement. So we had an Antakshari game. And some elders joined in. And I remember a lot of Emoha people also joining it, because we did not know how it's really going to go. So that was the first day. And today we are sitting here with more than 900 episodes, 900 sessions that we have done with all of you. And believe you all that had you all not been here, we would not be sitting right here and sharing this with you all. And before I continue, I'm going to call Somajit to say a few words to each and every one of you who's so special and dear to all of us. Somajit, over to you.
Good evening, everybody. How is everybody doing?
Oh, fine.
So nice to see all of you. And I hope everybody is fine. Everybody is. I'm virtually touching all of your feet. Please, blessings.
God bless.
आप सबको मेरे तरफ से बहुत my real seeking blessings to all of you. You are obviously looking so nice. I can see everybody smiling, everybody in a beautiful. Thank you, Mandela uncle. So आज जैसे रितु ने बोला कि रितु mentioned to me yesterday that we are completing 365 days, and I actually became speechless to say what it has taken for, if not anybody, for Ritu to manage this for the last 365 days. So for a change, we will put her on the spotlight. Okay, if all of you are game. For a change, we'll put her on the spotlight. You know, idea देना, एक drive करना, एक या direction देना एक होता है, and to lead it from the front and manage doing more TV shows, more than 800 more TV shows with your blessings, active participation is a completely different thing. So, um, hello, Auntie, how are you doing? So, I want to just start by giving, all of you obviously a huge round of applause for really making MoTV what it is, but also to, kind of you put a big round of applause for Ritu and the whole team. I think, मतलब मैं तो देख ही रहा हूँ. I see how much of an effort the team keeps making every day. कहते हैं ना, every program has a lot of effort that goes in before programming on the effort. And I know how much Ritu has जब शुरू में Ritu had joined, she used to be very camera shy. I'll be very honest, because she has been a very, very core team member, and she used to do a lot of hard work to write down every small little thing before a show starts as preparation before moderating a show. Would all of you agree that she has proved herself as a fantastic moderator? For all of those who you say, for all of you who feel that she has been a very good moderator, maybe you can give a thumbs up sign on your MoTV.
Top class. Yeah, sure.
Thank you, Vishal Uncle.
Very good.
Thank you, Auntie.
It's all because of her. We all like to join every day, because of want to see her more on the TV.
Ritu is just amazing.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
God bless her. Hi, Swamiji.
Hi, Auntie. Hi, Auntie.
Thank you.
Ritu, hello, Auntie. Ritu, you should feel very proud of yourself. And this is all family. हम लोग सब इस रास्ते में, इस जर्नी में एक साथ हैं. भामरी अंकल हैं, विशम अंकल हैं. All of us are together. Bora uncle, I can see. Madhura auntie, I can see you. Saigal auntie. We are all in this together. And एक साल पहले हमने कभी किसी ने नहीं सोचा था कि 800 programs happened. There are similar kind of initiatives which are started by other people in the country, and that is the highest level of satisfaction that others are starting to copy these kind of things. इससे ज़्यादा खुशी क्या हो सकती है कि there are other organizations who are starting to do things which are similar to what we are doing, and it is only going to make the world of elders and the elder care fraternity even more better. So Ritu, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. I think we owe it to yourself. No, but we really owe it to yourself. We owe it to Gaurav, to yourself and the whole team for, kind of maintaining the discipline of doing it every day for the last 365 days. And, doing your little bit. You should know that the dream, and this is something that all of you know, but this is also a dream that at one point of time, आज हमारे यहाँ पे 3 into 6, 18 into 4, 72 programs happen in a month. Right? So हर दिन 3 program, अगर हफ्ते में 3 into 5, roughly 3 into 6, about 18 programs, and month में 72 programs होती हैं. हम चाहते हैं, I am very keen, I have requested Ritu that with time we are able to bring this not just 72 programs, but how each of you can do something. Each of you are capable of doing some, something is there which you bring to the table. मेरी आपसे hand folded request as your virtual son, virtual daughter, whatever you want to say, that each of you owe it to yourself to do something. One show every month, every quarter, every whatever you decide, आपके ऊपर है. But then slowly the MoTV जो हमने एक तरह से one directional चालू हुई थी. जब दूरदर्शन चालू हुई थी, दूरदर्शन में भी एक ही चैनल थी. Did you agree? एक ही चैनल थी जब दूरदर्शन चालू हुई थी. मैं तो छोटा बच्चा था, चित्रहार आता था और छोटे 2-4 चैनल आते थे, and nothing else used to come. Today आप सबके टेलीविजन में 700-800 चैनल्स आती हैं. Would you agree? So as Imoha evolves and correct, as MoTV evolves. Sorry, somebody was saying. हाँ, भामरे अंकल आप कुछ कह रहे थे.
ऐसा कृषि दर्शन था बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट दूरदर्शन में चित्रहार.
हाँ बिल्कुल. मेरे को उस टाइम पे चित्रहार देखने को नहीं मिलता था। मेरे मम्मी पापा मेरे को बहुत डांट लगाते थे कि ये पढ़ाई का टाइम है, इस टाइम पे कोई चित्रहार नहीं देखेगा। तो मैंने पूरी बचपन चित्रहार देखा ही नहीं है। मैंने सुना है सिर्फ कि चित्रहार नाम की कोई चीज होती थी, क्योंकि बचपन में जिस टाइम पे चित्रहार आती थी वो पढ़ाई का टाइम था। दैट वाज 6:30 to 9:30 वाज स्टडिंग। It was always a study oriented thing, so चित्रहार देखने को मिला नहीं। बट कृषि दर्शन, चित्रहार, these were the programs, but one channel. I see the future where MoTV is not one sided. It is not Ritu's program, it is your program. Each one of you have to use MoTV for broadcasting your voice. आपका प्रोग्राम, आपके व्यूज, आपके विचार, आपके थिंकिंग प्रोसेस, आपकी स्टोरीज, एंड स्लोली जैसे क्लब्स इतने अच्छे बन गए हैं। हैट्स ऑफ टू each one of you, जितने प्यार से बोरा अंकल, रेनू आंटी, all of you are managing the club so well, and participation is increasing. There are some more ideas that team is doing to kind of have smaller groups, smaller MoTV sessions, but all of this is happening because of whom? किसके वजह से ये सब हो रहा है? तेज कुमार अंकल, so nice to see you. नहीं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं, absolutely not.
Couldn't have done it without you.
नहीं रितु नहीं। तेज कुमार अंकल, किसके वजह से ये सब हो रहा है?
All to Ritu.
नहीं, रितु है, but it is happening because of each one of you. पर वो आपके वजह से। अंकल आंटी जी, this is because of you, all of you. आप लोग पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करेंगे और आप लोग इसको ड्राइव नहीं करेंगे और हर दिन different new activities नहीं करेंगे तो MoTV will not happen. That is the simple point. So
सबका joint effort है, लेकिन इसमें जो 2 लाइन में कहूँ तो रितु के लिए बोल दूं? मेरी आवाज
बिल्कुल। आज सबको रितु के लिए बोलना है।
तो मैंने कहा 2 लाइन बोल दूं। अब कोई ना कोई एपिसोड हो ही जाता है, कभी 1000 दिन करते हैं, कभी 10वां प्रोग्राम। तो 365 वाले दिन पे रितु के लिए मैंने अभी माइंड में आया, रितु तेरे जैसा मॉडरेटर की क्या तारीफ करूं? रितु तेरे जैसे मॉडरेटर की क्या तारीफ करूं? 365 दिन तुमने लुभाया, 365 दिन तुमने लुभाया, हमारा सबका दिल लगाया, बढ़िया प्रोग्राम दिखाया। खुदा सलामत रखे तुम्हें जब तक जहां है समाया। अभी जो है करनी चाहिए, ठीक है ना रितु? Because
thank you so much, Subhash.
Having very good time, especially in the evening, because they give good programs, and we pass a very good time during this corona time, during this when we are recovering from our pains and accidents and everything. So we pass very good time, and we are thankful to you, and we look forward for better and better. Thank you.
Thank you, Subhash ji. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Subhash ji, आपका वीडियो ऑन नहीं है।
नहीं है? ओह, okay.
Sorry, back to you, Samajit.
No, so I was just concluding by saying that as always it is because of each one of you. आप लोगों की वजह से MoTV is where it is. But I feel very excited about what is the future for MoTV as well. जिस तरह से each one of you have helped in making the emergency systems of Imoha sharper and sharper. Tej Kumar uncle is sitting here with us. It is a special feeling of power that अंकल को जब रात को इतनी क्राइसिस हुई थी, इमरजेंसी हुई थी, द सिस्टम वाज एबल टू टेक केयर ऑफ हिम, टेक हिम टू द हॉस्पिटल, डू व्हाटएवर इज रिक्वायर्ड, एंड ही इज एक तेज कुमार अंकल थोड़ा एक बड़ा सा स्माइल दिखा दीजिए, एक बड़ा सा स्माइल, लाइक बिग स्माइल। आप म्यूट पे अंकल।
And Somajit, before you end your this thing, we have a small video to show to all our elders here.
Okay. वैद अंकल आप म्यूट पे हैं, आप म्यूट पे हैं, फिर से म्यूट हो गया।
That's why Imoha is called our life savior as well. God bless you all.
नहीं अंकल, आप भी हमारे लाइफ को बचा के रखे हुए हैं। ये दोनों साइड का जर्नी है, एक तरफ का जर्नी नहीं है। हम लोग के लाइफ में जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स आती है ना, वो आपकी ब्लेसिंग से सॉल्व होती रहती है, ऑटोमेटिकली ऑटो पायलट पे चलती है। So it is both sides. I feel this is truly spiritual. And just the last point I wanted to tell all of you is that we are now, it's been a year. So now we are trying to put a little bit more efforts on the app. आप सब लोग के पास एल्डर ऐप है, जो इमोहा की जो ऐप है जिसमें इमरजेंसी दबाने से द रेस्पॉन्डर कोऑर्डिनेशन सेंटर में खबर चली जाती है. हम लोग धीरे धीरे अब मोर टीवी का जितना प्रोग्रामिंग है ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, आज नहीं बट लगेगा 2-3 महीने लगेंगे, बट वी पुट एवरीथिंग इनटू द ऐप, ताकि ये जूम में लिंक करना ये करना वो थोड़ा इट बिकम्स अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ अ solution becomes a little bit more faster. But in the next couple of months, I do see More TV becoming more and more vibrant and more, easy for all of you to use as well. So on that note, Ritu, back to all of you. Thank you so much, everybody, for support, blessings, and hope you continue to enjoy More TV in every way. Thank you.
Thank you, Samarji. Thank you so much. And ladies and gentlemen, a small tribute to all of you. I'm going to request Angel to just share the screen. And also let me tell you all, बहुत लोग बहुत मेरे से हमेशा शिकायत करते रहते हैं, तो आज मैं आपकी वो शिकायत दूर करूंगी, चाहे जैसे भी. So, but after this video.
आज तो गाना गाने वाली है.
Since मेरे को बहुत हमेशा मुझे डांट पड़ती है, so today I think is one day when I need to dedicate it to all the elders present here, जो हमेशा मुझे कहते हैं तुमने गाना नहीं गाया, तुम कभी कुछ सुनाती नहीं हो, तो मेरी थोड़ी सी बेसुरी आवाज में जितना भी है आप लोगों के 2 लाइनें जरूर समर्पित करूंगी मैं. ऑडियो नहीं आ रहा. Just 1 second, please. Just a minute, ladies and gentlemen. We'll just restart with the audio. Just a second, ladies and gentlemen. Just give us a few seconds.
Namaste, Meera. I am Dietitian Rashmi from Asia Care.
Zoom level. Share sound here. Thank you.
Good evening to all of you once again. Warm
इस वैश्विक महामारी कोरोना से प्रभावी मुकाबले के लिए एकमात्र विकल्प है सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग.
The entire world is reeling under the impact of coronavirus, with events and tournaments either being suspended, postponed, or cancelled.
Are we ready? We have Mastane, Diwane, and the fourth team is Anjane. Okay?
Yeah.
Transmission is only 1%. So therefore, prevention.
आज का सब्जेक्ट क्या है?
आज का सब्जेक्ट है 10 ways to eat food in your budget.
Budget.
जी.
Move your hand up and breathing.
सच में बहुत विचलित मन स्थिति होती है हमारी.
थोड़ा सा पानी मिक्स करेंगे, फिर आप ये देखेंगे मेरे हाथ में ये ग्लास में है, ऐसा एक ड्रिंक बन जाएगा आपका.
आ जाना आ जाने.
एक दो ही मेडिसिन हैं यूजुअली डॉक्टर प्रिस्क्राइब करते हैं अनलेस इट बिकम्स कॉम्प्लिकेटेड.
Good evening. How wonderful to see you all so very dressed up. Everybody is looking just gorgeous and absolutely
हम सारी बात नजर मानते हैं.
हेलो, कुछ सुन रहा है मेरी आवाज?
Sorry, हाँ जी.
कुछ आवाज नहीं आ रही है आप लोगों के यहाँ.
I think there is some internet issue. So what we will do is we will replay it later on. So I know Anupama is already waiting to start with her show. But before that, आप लोग की शिकायत जो हमेशा रहती है, on our first anniversary, I'm just going to sing 2 lines for all of you, and then we will have a song once Anupama's show is over. So मैं आप लोगों के लिए बस यही 2 लाइनें गाना चाहती हूँ, and please do bear with me. तेरा मुझसे पहले का ना था कोई, यूं ही नहीं दिल लुभाता कोई, जाने तू या जाने ना, या मानना. So to all of you, ये जो नाता है बहुत बहुत स्पेशल है, and from the bottom of my heart I mean it, that ये नाता बहुत पहले का है.
अब आपकी दिल से आवाज निकली, दिल से. वेरी गुड.
ये नाता हमेशा नहीं बना रहे. We wish कि ऐसे ही बना रहे.
आज आई होप आप सबकी शिकायत मैंने इस एनिवर्सरी पे पूरी कर दी है. And बहुत ही बेसुरी आवाज में, but then just my way of saying thank you.
Thank you.
ये शुरुआत है.
आप थोड़ी प्रैक्टिस करो, हम लोगों की सुपर सिंगर हो जाओगे.
भांबरी अंकल ने बिल्कुल सही बोला है कि ये शुरुआत है ऋतु. Now this is just a beginning and you'll have to do more.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And now coming back to our guest speaker who's been waiting very patiently, Anupama. I'm really sorry for the delay. We've taken quite a bit of time. Anupama, you there?
Yes, I'm here.
So very quickly, ladies and gentlemen, just to introduce today's topic, मैं request करूँगी, somebody's mic is unmute. If you could just mute yourselves. Thank you. So limitations live only in your minds, but if we use our imaginations, our possibilities become limitless. It's all about staying positive. Energy healing is a holistic practice that activates the body's subtle energy systems to remove blocks. And by breaking through these energetic blocks, the body's inherent ability to heal itself is stimulated. We all learned in high school physics class that matter is made up of molecules. Even something that is solid, such as a table, is vibrating all the time. As humans, we too are vibrating with lots of good vibes, which is called positive energy. All of us have that energy within us. It's just that we need to understand the law of gravity before we can fall down. We don't need to completely inhale the concept of energy healing before we dive into practicing it. Any time of the day, we can practice positive energy while gardening, while cooking food, praying. There is no limit to it. In fact, I would actually recommend that we practice it with an open mind for maximum benefit. If you are stressed, anxious, or physically drained, an energy healing session can help you relax and feel more balanced. And if you generally feel good, it will just make you feel better. So to talk about this limitless possibilities of energy healing, we have with us our very own Anupama Das Gupta. You all know her very well. She has been coming specially for all of you. And today also she's here. And as you all know, she has been in the HR with 20 years of experience, but now she's a pranic healer. And she has always described herself as a seeker of spiritual knowledge, researching and working on combining spirituality with management practices. So Anupama, thank you so much for being here on this really nice special day of our first anniversary. And I apologize for the delay once again. And now I'm going to very quickly hand over to you and welcome you.
Thank you.
So over to you, Anupama.
Thank you so much, Ritu, and wish everyone associated with Emoha and Mo TV a very happy first anniversary. So it's a privilege for me and an honor for me to be a part of these sessions because I take back a lot of positive vibes. And the greatest learning that I have had is that, we should appreciate everything that we have in life. So as we were going through the session, the introduction, the celebration, etc., this is the thought that coming to me that, what if we appreciate everything that we have in life? Life would become so different. So introducing the concept of energy, हम सब जानते हैं कि एनर्जी क्या है. हम सब ने फील किया है एनर्जी. जब हम गुस्सा फील करते हैं वो एक एनर्जी होती है, जब हम खुशी फील करते हैं वो भी एक एनर्जी होती है, क्योंकि उसे हम टच नहीं कर सकते हैं. But because we cannot touch something, we cannot say that it does not exist. Ritu used a very, very interesting and very valid word called vibes. So sometimes energy can be described as vibes. I feel a vibe when I meet someone. It may make me feel comfortable or uncomfortable. It may make me feel happy or sad or drained of energy. I go to a hospital to see a sick person. I normally come back very, very tired. So ये जो energy जो हमारे आसपास है, हम एक energy के समुद्र में actually रहते हैं. तो जैसे एक बाल्टी में अगर आप एक बकेट में अगर आप पानी रखेंगे और उसके अंदर एक स्पंज को डालेंगे, तो वो पानी स्पंज के अंदर भी होता है और स्पंज के बाहर भी होता है. Similarly, our physical body, the gross matter that we can touch and feel and we can normally see, everyone can see, anyone who has, vision can see, that is soaked in energy. So that is like a sponge which is soaked in a bucket of energy, which is our aura. Okay, in a very simple way, this is what it is. In pranic healing, what we do is that we explain the concepts of this energy body. चक्रास क्या होते हैं, हम 11 चक्रास की बात करते हैं और इसको कैसे हम ठीक कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि जो भी हमारी एनर्जी बॉडी में होता है वही हमारी लाइफ में होता है, वही हमारे फिजिकल बॉडी में होता है. सो फॉर एग्जांपल, and I would request you to just listen with an open mind and see if it you can validate it with experiences in your life. So for instance, a person who has faced stress for a very, very long time will have a tendency of having things like diabetes or blood pressure or heart problems or some such problems, as they come to a certain age. So 10, 12, 20 years of repressed emotions or stress or very, very angry personalities, they tend to manifest into physical problems. So हर physical problem का root cause, अब मैंने अगर अपना हाथ काट लिया तो उसका root cause मेरी energy में problem नहीं है, वो हाथ काट दिया मैंने या मैं गिर गई और मुझे लग गई, so that is a different thing. But anything else that you speak about today is a physical manifestation of a problem in our energy. Okay, so if we work with this hypothesis, इस hypothesis को लेके अगर हम लोग आगे बढ़ेंगे, तो हम energy का प्रभाव अपने life में कहाँ पाते हैं? Is it only in the physical body? Is it only in physical things? No, it can be primarily said to be in 4 aspects of life. The first is the physical health. आपने कभी notice किया है कि आपकी तबीयत अगर खराब होने वाली है, समझिए बुखार आने वाला है, before the fever actually comes, you know that you're not feeling okay, which means that something in your energy is already going wrong, and that then manifests as fever or some infection or something like that. You start feeling it, so you get the vibes from that big bubble of energy in which we are all living. Okay, so our physical health is definitely affected by energy. तो जितनी भी energy healing schools है, आप रेकी ले लीजिए या फिर pranic healing ले लीजिए या whatever other forms of energy healing are there, they work on this principle. Okay, so physical health is one aspect where energy definitely plays a role. The second aspect where it plays a role is our relationships and our emotional health. उस पे कैसे फर्क पड़ता है? So like I said, anger is an energy. Frustration, sadness, grief, they are all energies. Happiness is an energy. Because we can't touch it, we can feel it. So energy can be felt even if we can't see it. Okay, so all these energies. Now, how do we want our life to be? We want our life to be peaceful. We want our life to be happy. We want our life to be, to give us joy, motivation to do things. We don't want our life to be sad, to be full of anger, to be full of resentment. So this balance of energy, now all of us have some of these energies, but जब वो scale tip करने लग जाता है, जब anger, resentment, गुस्सा, दुख ये सब ज़्यादा हो जाता है, तब हमारे again physical body gets affected. Now an angry person, can they have good relationships? Very unlikely. बहुत कोई किसी से बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार करता है तभी उसके anger को, continuous anger को कोई सहन करेगा. Otherwise you will leave the person, right? Or you will yourself get angry. So anger is an energy which does not allow you to have good relations. Similarly, resentment is an energy that does not allow you to be a happy and a joyful person, open to other people, accepting of other people. So all these energies, again, they affect our emotional health and they affect our relationships. Okay? So physical health हो गया, emotional health हो गया. और क्या है? क्या आप जानते हैं कि हमारी बॉडी में जो चक्रास है, उसमें से एक particular chakra or a set of chakras, I would say, are responsible for our prosperity. So a lot of practices जो energy को लेके practices होती हैं to improve your prosperity, that has to do with certain energies in the body, and these energies are controlled by certain chakras. So a person who has who is very lazy, can that person always be successful? Unlikely. Okay, so unlikely है ये. हो सकता है कुछ लोग despite being lazy they have a lot of wealth and a lot of everything, but that wealth is not sustainable. So there are certain chakras in our body and certain energies in our body which again affect our financial prosperity. The energy of generosity, the ability to share, that has a direct link with our prosperity. Okay, so financial health भी energy से related है. और एक क्या है, आपके पास सब कुछ है, आपके पास good relations है, आपके पास अच्छा physical health है, आपके पास बहुत पैसा है, फिर भी कभी कभी लगता है ना कि एक vacuum सा feel होता है, which means that we lose our connection with something which is higher than us. So that is known as a spiritual vacuum. Sometimes you feel that everything in life is okay, but still I'm still searching for something. Okay, so that kind of a spiritual vacuum also has to do with energy, which is the vibration where we are plugging in our consciousness. तो अगर हम जिस vibration पे होते हैं ना, हमारी life उसी vibration की हो जाती है. So अगर हमारे vibration में बहुत happiness, joy, generosity, compassion, kindness की energy है, तो हमारी life भी वैसी ही होगी. हमें life से बहुत कुछ मिलेगा, हमारे आसपास के लोग भी normally वैसे ही होंगे. So again, Ritu, summarizes actually my topic in such a beautiful way. She's used all the right words. She used the word of vibration. So energy is nothing but vibration. Okay, so it depends on us. Where are we tuning in? जैसे FM radio कोई एक channel पे चलता है एक particular list of गाने, ठीक है? So हम जिस channel में tune in करेंगे वही गाने हमें मिलेंगे या वही content हमें मिलेगा. Similarly, in our life, whatever energy we tune into, whichever level we tune into, we get that thing in our life. Okay, so what do we want in life actually? So आप एक imagine करिए, गाड़ी है, उसका एक चक्का है physical health, एक चक्का है relationships and emotional health, एक चक्का है financial health और एक चक्का है spiritual well-being. Okay, now obviously in a car with 4 wheels, you would want all the wheels to be very uniform, balanced. So that is why we say, in life there has to be a balance. Otherwise you will not find peace. So one way of manipulating your energy is, in order to balance all these chakkas of the car so that the car runs smoothly. अगर एक चक्का छोटा होगा, एक चक्का बड़ा होगा, एक चक्के में हवा नहीं होगी, तो वो गाड़ी ऐसे bump ले लेके चलेगी. And over a period of time, the car will not work at all. It will just, it will just stop working. Okay. So the chakkas have to be balanced. They have to be big. जितने बड़े चक्के होंगे उतना जल्दी हम लोग उतना दूर जा सकेंगे, उतना less effort लगेगा. Okay, so it is a very good analogy to think of your life in these 4 aspects and think of your life as a car, and which is the aspect that needs a little bit of fine tuning or a little bit of strength. Okay, and if we focus on that area and we change the energy that we have with which we approach that area, then that area will improve. So in my 8 or 9 years of being in this school of pranic healing, my life has changed in all these aspects. My connection with God has become stronger. My financial health has definitely improved. It has improved more than it would have had I not, made those changes in my life. My relationships have improved. I'm more tolerant. I don't normally get angry. I am more happy and, I enjoy life. Okay, so my relationships automatically have improved, and my physical health has also improved. So things like, I had hypothyroid for 15 years. My medicines have stopped. I was diagnosed with diabetes. Then I realized that I have a lot of stress inside me. So I did my healing, and I don't need to take my sugar medicines anymore. My blood pressure medicines, again, that is due to stress. So that had also started. It has now, the dose has reduced to a very, very great extent because my energy is different today. So हम किस वाइब्रेशन पे वाइब्रेट करते हैं अपनी खुद की एनर्जी को, उस पे डिपेंड करता है कि हमारी लाइफ कैसी होती है. So therefore the possibilities of energy healing are actually limitless. Things that modern medicine cannot cure, if you do along with modern medicine any form of energy healing, then you're likely to get better results. Okay. So with this, I would like to, I cannot do the meditation because, I have very little time. So I want to do a healing, I want to do a healing kind of meditation, and that will be in my voice. So I'll be, yeah.
We have time till 6:30.
Okay. So, okay, fine. So I will take you through this. Yeah, I will take you through this healing. So thanks for clarifying that, Ritu. Okay, what I'll do is I will, like if you have a cup in which there is coffee and you want to pour fresh coffee into that cup. Okay, now first what do we have to do? We have to clean the cup. Otherwise उस cup में ही अगर गंदे cup में हम लोग fresh coffee डालेंगे तो वो coffee भी गंदी हो जाएगी. तो हमारे अंदर की जो energy है, हम अगर एक स्पंज के जैसे हैं और हमारे आसपास में एक आभा मंडल है जिसको ऑरा बोलते हैं, तो उसमें क्या क्या है? Okay, that is something which we need to take out so that new energy can come in, fresh energy can come in. So I'm going to take you through a healing process before we do the meditation. इस healing process में हम लोग क्या करेंगे? Life में ना, we have a lot of connections with people. Now some connections are desirable, some connections are not desirable. Some give us pain, some give us happiness. पर ये connections कैसे बनते हैं? ये connections बनते हैं क्योंकि in the universe we have done something, or those people have done something to us, and वो जो link है जो बन जाता है of that karmic exchange, वो हमने तोड़ा नहीं है. तो अगर आपके life में there are very very difficult people, okay, it means that we need to forgive them for some past mistake that we have made or they have made, and we have not let go of that link. So if you are chained, okay, in this karmic exchange, and you have not forgiven to break that link, then you're likely to encounter those people again and again and again. So one very good way of spiritual empowerment is forgiving of people. And this is there in most religions. I mean, whichever faith you follow, you will find that forgiveness is a very, very important part. Okay, so we will do a forgiveness prayer. And I would request you to just close your eyes. Think of those one or two people, or maybe even a group of people, जो भी आपके मन में आए. Think of those people and just visualize them in front of you. जो आपके लाइफ में बहुत पेन देते हैं आपको, या हर्ट देते हैं, या दिए हैं पहले, पर वो फीलिंग्स आपके अंदर अभी भी है. So understand that whatever we do in energy, we are doing it to ourselves. I'm sorry, but am I still audible?
Yes,
yeah, something.
Yes,
okay.
yes,
okay.
you are audible.
Okay, so just relax. Yes, if you're wearing glasses, just take off your glasses and keep it on the side. Just let this energy of healing just soak into each and every cell of your body. Okay, so just close your eyes, sit comfortably, and be aware of your breathing, the inhalation and the exhalation. As you inhale, visualize that you are in an ocean of fresh, bright energy. And as you exhale, first of all, just let go of all your stress, physical stress, mental stress, emotional stress, all the stress, just exhale it out. You are able to breathe in this ocean because this is the energy that keeps us alive. This is the prana, the life force that is there in our body, going through each and every cell of our body as long as we are alive. Allow this pranic energy to fill your system as you inhale, and as you exhale, just let go of every bit of resentment that you have towards any situation or any person. Continue to breathe normally. Do not try to control your breathing. Let your breath flow in its natural flow and rhythm. The only thing is that as you inhale fresh energy, consciously exhale all the stress from each and every part of your body. Inhale once again and exhale all the resentment that you have. It may be in any part of your body. It may be from this lifetime, from your childhood, from anywhere. Sometimes we hold a lot of resentment for our parents because of things that they have not done for us, or things that we think that they should have done for us. So even if you feel like that for your parents, just exhale that. Once again, inhale. Inhale the fresh energy, allow it to fill your body. This time, exhale all the anger that you have, all the frustration that you have. Just make an intention that I am exhaling all the anger, all the frustration. Take deep breaths. Inhale deeply. And as you exhale, let go of all your fears, all your anxieties. Just let go. There is a power in surrender to a higher force. So allow yourself to surrender to this higher force and just let go of all the fear energy, all the energies of anxiety and of worries that you might have for yourself or for others. Continue to inhale and exhale. As you exhale, let go of this fear, this anxiety, this worry. Inhale deeply. As you exhale, let go of any energies of past traumas, any bad experience that you might have, which you can become aware of. Just let go of all the energies of trauma. It could be physical trauma for an illness. It could also be psychological or emotional trauma. Just let go. Feel the peace in you. As you inhale this energy, you are filled with peace. You are filled with a stillness. Your breathing is now becoming longer and deeper. You are still in an ocean of this beautiful, bright energy. There is enough for everyone. There is a lot of this energy around. It can never be exhausted. So continue to breathe generously and exhale any dirty, used up energy that is there in your body, which is blocking any chakra in your body, any meridian in your body. Allow this bright energy to flush out all the dirty, diseased, used up energy which is stuck in any part of your energy body. If you feel any discomfort in any part of your body, please inhale. As you exhale, visualize that you are exhaling from that part of your body, and smoky, dirty energy is coming out as you exhale. Continue to inhale and exhale at your own pace. Now, put your hands in the Namaste position. Close your eyes and think of those people who may have caused you pain or hurt, who may have caused you problems in your life. You can even imagine your parents or people who have taken care of you when you were younger. You can think of your children. You can think of the closest people that you have, because those are the resentments that we hold on to unconsciously. So think of your closest people standing in front of you. Smile at them. They are smiling back at you. Tell them Namaste. I salute the divinity inside you. We are all children of God, and we all make mistakes. I forgive you for the mistakes that you have made, consciously or unconsciously, in this life or in any other past lifetimes. I forgive you. If you feel any feelings of anger, grief, resentment, any other negative feeling, just let go of that feeling. It is okay to let go because it frees you. From your heart, tell them, I forgive you for all the mistakes that you have made, for all the hurt and pain that you have caused me. I forgive you. May we be blessed with divine forgiveness. Take a deep breath and feel the peace inside you as you let go of all these negative energies you've been holding on to. As you forgive these people, visualize that all the cords, the ropes, the chains that connect you to these people are getting completely cut, as if someone is coming with a knife and cutting all the connections, negative connections that you have with these people. Feel the sense of freedom, the sense of lightness as you let go of this karmic knot. As you cut all these links, you again smile at these people and tell them, go in peace. They smile back at you. They turn around and they walk away from you. Continue to breathe. If you feel any negative emotion, just let it go out of your system. Let go of this. Okay? Now, please visualize all those people who you think that you might have hurt or you might have caused pain to. Whether you did it consciously or unconsciously, whether it was a mistake or intentional, it does not matter. Once again, please visualize all your near and dear ones, all your loved ones, the closest relatives that you have. Your spouse, your children, your parents. Just visualize them in front of you. Look at them, smile at them. Visualize them smiling back at you and say Namaste. I salute the divinity within you. We are all children of God, and we all make mistakes because we are all growing. I have also made my share of mistakes, and I'm truly, truly sorry for the hurt and pain that I have caused you. I will try not to repeat these mistakes. Please forgive me. If you have any feelings of guilt, allow that feeling, that energy to go out of your system. May we be blessed with divine forgiveness. Visualize beautiful pink and golden light falling from the sky on both of you, on the people in front of you and on yourself. Feel the peace and the stillness and the joy as you are filled with forgiveness. Now look at these people and tell them, go in peace. Visualize them turning away and moving away from you, and visualize all the karmic connections in the form of ropes or chains that connect you to these people are getting completely cut. Inhale and exhale deeply. Now, visualize yourself in front of you. Look at yourself and say Namaste. We are all children of God. I am also a child of God, and I can make mistakes. It is okay. I forgive myself for all the mistakes that I have made. May I be blessed with divine forgiveness. Inhale and exhale peacefully. You can open your eyes at this point of time. I hope everyone is feeling okay. Yeah.
As I always say, it takes time to come out of this meditation.
Okay, so just keep your eyes closed then. No need to open your eyes. We will move into the meditation on twin hearts. Just follow my instructions. Let us start with a prayer. So let us plug into the divine energies before we do the meditation. To the Supreme God, to my spiritual teacher. Visualize your spiritual teacher and ask for blessings from your spiritual teacher. To all the spiritual teachers, to the holy angels, spiritual helpers, and all the great, great ones. We humbly invoke for divine guidance, divine love, for illumination, for divine oneness, for divine bliss, divine help, and divine protection. We thank you in full faith. Please connect your tongue to your palate, connect the tip of your tongue to the roof of your mouth, and keep it that way for the entire duration of the meditation. Now, please press the center of your chest. We will activate the heart chakra, which is the first heart in the twin heart meditation. So think of a happy moment in your life, and you can tap your heart chakra 3 times. The heart chakra is right in the center of your chest. Now be aware of the heart chakra. Please raise your hands in the blessing position as if you are blessing someone. Visualize the earth like a small ball in front of you. We will bless the earth with loving kindness. We will be using the prayer of Saint Francis of Assisi. During this process, we will be drawing in divine energies of loving kindness, of peace, of forgiveness, of light, joy, etc. And we will be becoming a channel to direct these energies to the entire earth. So visualize that this energy is coming inside you and flowing out of your hands to the small earth in front of you. To the Supreme God, make me an instrument of your peace. Feel the inner peace within you. Allow yourself to be a channel of divine peace. Feel the peace within you. Let it fill your entire body and flow out of your arms and your hands, filling the whole earth in front of you with peace. Where there is hatred, let me sow love. So we are replacing all the negative energies with positive energies. Feel the divine love within you. Allow yourself to be a channel of divine love. Feel this love within you. Feel this love flowing from your heart to your arms and to your hands, flowing to the small earth in front of you. Let us bless the earth with peace and with love. Where there is injury or hurt, let me bring pardon and forgiveness. Feel the spirit of reconciliation. Allow yourself to be a channel of divine forgiveness, of divine reconciliation. Bless the earth with the spirit of forgiveness, reconciliation, understanding, with harmony and with peace. Wherever there is despair or hopelessness, let us bring hope. Wherever there is doubt, let us bring faith. Feel the divine hope and the divine faith flowing through you. Allow yourself to be a channel of divine hope and divine faith. Bless the earth with hope and with faith. You can visualize all those people who are having a difficult time, and you can bless them with hope and with faith. You can silently tell them, you can make it. Bless them with divine hope, with divine faith, and with divine strength. Where there is darkness, let us fill the entire earth with light. Where there is sadness, let us fill the entire earth with joy. Allow yourself to be a channel of divine light and joy. Bless the earth with divine light and joy. If you know of any people who are sad, who are depressed, or who are in pain, let us bless them with divine light and joy. Divine light allows us to see the situation as it is. We don't get affected by the situation. We can see it as it is and we can take appropriate action. So let us bless everyone with divine light and with joy. Let us fill them with light and joy. As we bless the earth with loving kindness, visualize that the energy coming out of your hands is a beautiful pink and violet. It is a beautiful golden pink. And it is filling the whole earth, making it bright. And the earth has started to slowly have a beautiful golden pink aura. Now, be aware of your crown center, which is right on top of your head. So it is facing upwards to the sky. It's in the center of your head. You can tap your crown chakra 3 times like this and be aware of that crown chakra. From the center of the heart of God, continue to keep your hands in the blessing position. Let the entire earth be blessed with loving kindness. Feel the divine love and kindness. Allow yourself to be a channel of divine love and kindness and share this with the whole earth in front of you. Let the entire earth be blessed with great joy and happiness. Feel the joy and happiness and share this with the whole earth. Visualize people, visualize everyone smiling and happy. Their hearts are filled with joy and happiness. From the center of the heart of God, let the entire earth be blessed with understanding, with harmony, and with divine peace. Allow yourself to be a channel of understanding, of harmony, and of peace. Visualize if there is anyone in your family or at your workplace or anywhere where there is a dispute or there is a misunderstanding. You can visualize these people or these places and you can bless them with understanding, with harmony, and with peace. Visualize all these people who are having a fight, put down their disagreement and go and hug each other and shake hands. Let the entire earth be blessed with goodwill and the will to do good. Now imagine that the people are not only talking about doing something good, but actually acting out this goodness. Now, be simultaneously aware of your heart center and your crown center and continue to bless the earth. Visualize golden light from your hands pouring into the small earth in front of you. From the center of the heart of God, let the entire earth, let every person, let every being be blessed with divine love and kindness. Feel the divine love and the divine kindness and share this with the whole earth, with every person, with every being, without exception, even the people that you do not like. Let the entire earth, let every person, every being be blessed with divine sweetness, with divine joy, with warmness, with tenderness, and with love. Feel the sweet, loving feeling and share it with the whole earth in front of you. From the center of the heart of God, let the entire earth, let every person, every being be blessed with inner healing, with inner beauty, and bliss, with divine oneness with all. When we are truly connected with God, we feel that we are one with all because we are all children of God. We are all His creation. Now, be aware of your heart center. You can put your hands down on your knees with your palms facing upwards. Sit comfortably. Be aware of the beautiful golden light in your heart center. Inhale and take this light up to your crown center. And exhale. Once again, be aware of the light in your heart. And take it right up to your crown as you inhale. Keep the light there and exhale. Once more, be aware of your heart center. Be aware of the light in your heart center. Inhale and take this light up to your crown. Be aware of your crown and exhale. Keeping your awareness on your crown. Now visualize this golden light becoming bigger and bigger. It is expanding and it is spreading more and more in all directions. Now visualize that this golden light has become like an ocean. Be aware of this golden light. And feel the inner peace, the stillness, and the bliss. Continue to be aware of this inner stillness and bliss. And just let go. Continue to keep your eyes closed. Be aware of this golden light. Be aware of the quality of the golden light. Be aware of its stillness, peace, and just allow yourself to float. Okay, so now gently become aware of your body, your head area, your shoulders, your entire torso. Be aware of your fingers. Be aware of your legs. Be aware of your feet and your toes. Gently move your fingers and move your toes. Let us release this energy by blessing the earth again. So please put your hands in the blessing position. Visualize the earth in front of you. Let us release this excess energy. Let the entire earth be blessed with divine light, with divine love, with divine power. Let the whole earth be blessed with peace, with order, with spirituality, with abundance and prosperity. Let every person, every being be blessed with happiness, with good health, with spirituality and abundance. Blessings be to all. You can visualize your home inside the earth. You can visualize your workplace. You can visualize all your family members, your friends. Continue to bless them. If you have any area in your life which requires healing, then you can bless that area of your life, bless that situation with this energy. Okay, now be aware of the base of your spine, just where your spine ends, and visualize that light is going from that base of your spine right into the earth, deep down, about 3 meters or 10 feet. And it is forming roots inside the earth. Let us bless the earth. Let Mother Earth be blessed with divine light, love, and power. Let Mother Earth be revitalized, healed, and regenerated. Blessings be to Mother Earth. I am connected and rooted to Mother Earth. Continue to visualize light going from the base of your spine deep into the earth. Okay. Now you can close your eyes again. Put your hands on your heart in the Namaste position. Let us say a thanksgiving prayer. To the Supreme God, we thank you for your divine blessings. To my spiritual teacher, please visualize your spiritual teacher if you have one. To all the spiritual teachers, holy masters, all the saints, holy angels, spiritual helpers, and all the great, great ones, we thank you for all your great, great blessings. We thank you in full faith. Thank you. Okay.
This psychoneurobics is the same thing?
Right.
Psychoneurobics.
Sorry. Sorry, I'm not aware of that. So we are just still in the meditation. Let us just come out of the meditation slowly. So we'll take questions a bit later. Okay. So just open your eyes and massage your eyes, your forehead, your entire face, your throat, massage your neck, tap your shoulders, massage your entire arms. If you have any pain or discomfort in any part of your body or in your joints, You can just massage that part gently. Tap your chest. Tap your stomach area. Tap the sides. Tap your back, your kidneys, your lower back. Just massage that area, your hips, your entire legs, upper part, the knees. If you have problems in your knees, you can just massage gently. The back of the knees, massage your entire leg and your feet, including your toes. So what this does is all this energy that we have taken in, it just circulates it to the entire body. It helps the body to absorb this energy. Okay, now we'll just do 2-3 simple exercises to further decongest the energy. So with your eyes, I want you to rotate your eyes clockwise 12 times, anti-clockwise 12 times. So we'll do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now reverse the direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay. Now with your neck, just move your neck side to side. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Do one more exercise. So just put your hands like this, okay, at the chest level, okay, and just rotate your upper body side to side. So 1, as much as you can, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay. So that brings me to the end of the session. So that brings me to the end of the session. I just hope that everyone is feeling okay.
Yes, yes. एक क्वेश्चन पूछना था आपसे.
I hope everyone's. हाँ.
हाँ जी पूछें.
हाँ please.
Anupama, are we open for questions?
Eyes बंद करते हैं.
Yes,
very quickly we'll take the questions.
Dark purple color, फिर उसके अंदर green color, ये दिखाई देता है. फिर कभी green के अंदर dark yellow color, एंड में sky blue, ऐसा colors क्यों आते हैं?
ये एक्चुअली जो एनर्जी होती है ना उसके कलर्स होते हैं. तो अब इस कलर का क्या मतलब होता है दैट आई कैन नॉट डिस्कस नाउ एंड मे बी आई डोंट नो ऑल द आंसर्स आल्सो, बट ये कलर्स इज द एनर्जी के कलर्स होते हैं. ये तो एनर्जी का कलर्स होते हैं. सो व्हाट यू सी इज एनर्जी, यू नो, इन द इनर वर्ल्ड यू आर एक्चुअली सीइंग एनर्जी.
ठीक ठीक.
इट्स ओके, इट डजंट, या देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम विद दैट.
ओके.
मैं सवाल पूछना चाहता हूँ अनुपमा जी.
We'll just take we'll just take Ranjana ji's question and come back to you. Yes, Ranjana ji.
मेरा भी सवाल है ऋतु जी.
All will be.
हाँ पूछिए.
If we do it, we all will be benefited.
I'm sorry, I'm not.
We will be
okay, so you're benefited in many ways because in this yes, so benefits are many. Okay, so like I said, in all these aspects of life, physical health, relationships, financial health, and spiritual health, it helps us. How does it help us? By opening the heart center and the crown center. The crown center is the entry point of divine energy. ये जब ये meditation करते हैं ना, it is as if we are standing under a waterfall of divine energy. Now एक आप अगर waterfall के नीचे खड़े होते हैं तो आपकी physical body clean हो जाती है पानी के force के साथ. तो आप सोचिए कि आपकी energy body clean हो रही है इस meditation के दौरान. और because you are filling yourself with good energies of peace, harmony, love, understanding, light, joy, all these energies, and you're sharing it with the earth, you're creating an entitlement for yourself to improve all aspects of life. So prosperity, good luck, physical health, emotional health, फिर मैग्नेटिज्म एक जो होता है, सक्सेस होती है, ये मेडिटेशन बार बार करने से आपकी एनर्जी चेंज होती है, और आपकी एनर्जी की वाइब्रेशन जब चेंज होती है तो आपकी लाइफ इंप्रूव करती है. So there are many benefits of this meditation. Most importantly, if you are interested, then this meditation actually helps you to evolve spiritually. It actually ये अंतःकरण जो होता है उसको बड़ा कर देता है. I'm sorry, there's a disturbance actually, so I'm not able to. I hope you are able to hear me.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I'll request you all अपने आप को please mute करें. जिसको question पूछना, we'll just keep that particular mic open. Because like Anupama just mentioned, it becomes difficult for her to give an answer then. Yes, there was someone else who wanted to ask a question.
Thank you.
There was some gentleman who wanted to ask a question.
कोई उनका उस मेडिटेशन से मुझे कोई बहुत बेनिफिट नहीं नजर आ रहा.
ये आपने एक बार किया है ना, इस मेडिटेशन में बेनिफिट आपका हुआ भी है तो आपको पता नहीं चला होगा.
तो नहीं, मैं डेली करता हूँ, लेकिन उसमें मुझे उसमें बहुत बेनिफिट नहीं नजर आ रहा. मैं डिस्टर्ब रहता हूँ थोड़ा सा.
आप कौन सा मेडिटेशन करते हैं?
रविशंकर जी का सुबह उनका गाइडेड मेडिटेशन है, वो सुबह 15 मिनट करता हूँ और शाम को भी करता हूँ.
ओके. हाँ. तो मेडिटेशन का ऐसा है ना कि मुझे पहले बिल्कुल विश्वास नहीं था ये सब चीजों पे, पर फिर मैंने बोला कि जब लोग इतना बोलते हैं तो मैं आई विल डू इट फॉर 1 year, लेट अस सी नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस. तो मैंने 1 साल अगर किया, उसके बाद आई एक्चुअली सॉ बिग ह्यूज चेंजेस हैपनिंग. सो समटाइम्स यू नो वी गेट स्टक विद द एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ वन मेडिटेशन, या फिर मतलब कुछ हो क्यों नहीं रहा है, बट अंदर ही अंदर क्या हो रहा है ना वो हमें पता भी नहीं चलता है. सो द चेंज इज डेफिनेटली हैपनिंग एनी मेडिटेशन दैट यू डू. और ये तो एक गुरु का गाइडेड मेडिटेशन है, सो इट विल बी वेरी पावरफुल.
Yeah, I know.
Can I ask something?
Thank you very much.
Can I say something?
Madam, I would also like to speak.
Yes.
It is like this. It was very beautifully done by you, Anupama. And you know, what I like best is that it's a mixture of what all other teachers are teaching. Like I've been into the meditation, and जैसे अभी सर ने बोला कि he is not liking and he is not enjoying, because basically he is just doing one particular part of it, which maybe he is not enjoying. If on the whole, what you taught today, I was very happy that you taught what actually I also believe in. So then you can enjoy, because you are under the fountain of the vibration all the time, and the divine power, you know, you are also emitting that and giving good vibrations to people. So I think he should also, try to do this. This is my opinion. Thank you very much. It was a beautiful session.
Anupama ji, there is a small question.
Thank you.
Can you hear me?
Anji, Mr. Subhash.
Oh yeah.
Yes, I can hear you.
Say, bless the earth and put your hand like this. Continuously for a longer time, I feel pain here.
Pain where? Sorry?
My shoulders. I've got weak shoulders. I've got weak neck. So putting hand like this for longer time, it becomes difficult for me. What you can do is you need not put your hand like this. You put your hand like on your lap, put it comfortably, and just visualize in your mind that your hands are like this. But don't actually put your hands like this. Okay? क्योंकि हमारी ना एक एनर्जी बॉडी होती है, तो वो एनर्जी बॉडी का जो हाथ है आपका वो ऐसे चला जाएगा, बट फिजिकल हाथ को आपको नहीं ले जाना है. सो दैट कैन ऑल्सो बी डन. जितनी देर रख सके उसके बाद नीचे रख.
क्योंकि ना फिजिकल बॉडी में अगर फिजिकल बॉडी में कुछ प्रॉब्लम होती है ना, तो हम मेडिटेशन पे कैसे फोकस करेंगे, है ना. तो हम ये वाला जो मेडिटेशन है ना, इसमें हमारे मास्टर को किसी ने पूछा कि मास्टर अभी तो बहुत गर्मी है, तो मैं लॉन में बैठ के नहीं कर सकता हूँ मेडिटेशन. तो मास्टर ने उनसे कहा कि तुम रूम में बैठ के करो. तो वो बोला नहीं मुझे आउटडोर बहुत पसंद है. तो वो बोलते हैं कि मेडिटेशन ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है कि तुम्हारे लिए आउटडोर ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो बोला नहीं, रूम के अंदर फिर बहुत ज्यादा गर्मी लगती है, मुझे स्टफी लगता है. तो बोले एसी चला के कर लो. कोई अगर बोलता है कि मैं नीचे नहीं बैठ सकता हूँ, बोले चेयर पे बैठ के कर लो. Okay, so no problem with that as long as we follow the technique of the meditation. जैसे अगर हम
always I alternate.
Yes. So
very good question. One has to be
अनुपमा जी, अनुपमा जी, मैं पूछना चाहती हूँ,
हाँ जी,
मैं पूछना चाहती हूँ, मेडिटेशन करना
यस प्लीज
किन लोगों के लिए जरूरी है? मतलब मैं कुछ कंफ्यूजन में हूँ, नहीं क्यों?
Everyone should do it. Everyone should do it because see, it is like हम, हाँ क्या मैं एक तरीके से समझाती हूँ, maybe that will make sense. हम जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना, एनर्जी वाइब्रेशन होता है, हम एनर्जी के बिना जिंदा नहीं रह सकते हैं. एनर्जी हमारे लाइफ पर इम्पैक्ट करती है, किस एनर्जी के साथ हम लोग जीते हैं. फिजिकल बॉडी तो एक बहुत छोटा सा हिस्सा है हमारा, ओके, बट द मेन थिंग, द मेन प्ले, द मेन एक्शन हैपेंस इन द एनर्जी वर्ल्ड. ओके, तो अब हम बोलते हैं अगर एनर्जी वाइब्रेशन है तो हम किस वाइब्रेशन के साथ जुड़े हुए रहना चाहते हैं? हम हायर वाइब्रेशन के साथ जुड़ेंगे या हम लोअर वाइब्रेशन के साथ जुड़ेंगे? सो मेडिटेशन इज अ वेरी इजी वे ऑफ ट्यूनिंग इन टू अ हायर स्टेशन.
करेक्ट.
जैसे हम प्रे करते हैं, दैट इज आल्सो मेडिटेशन, दैट कनेक्ट्स अस टू अ हायर सोर्स. When we think of good things, when we do good deeds, we are connected to a higher source.
Correct.
So it is our choice what we want to do. So that is why meditation is important for everyone.
So how is this different? Like I know the one method where you close your eyes, and concentrate on an object, and just close your eyes and get into some meditative state for say about 15-20 minutes. So how is this different from the method which you have described?
Yeah, so I'll tell you something that as far as like someone just made a very, very valid point that this is a combination of many techniques which are practiced in isolation. इसमें ध्यान भी है, इसमें साधना भी है, इसमें धारणा भी है, इसमें सब कुछ है. इसमें आप ऐसा कर्मा कर रहे हैं by blessing the earth that you are also creating a positive bank balance for yourself and your life is bound to improve. So every meditation actually serves a particular objective. And this meditation, what I find is the deeper I go into it, it's first of all very, very simple to practice. कोई भी इसको practice कर सकता है. Secondly, it affects all parts of my life. So it helps me spiritually. It helps me, create a good life for myself. It helps me physically. It helps me in all respects. So this meditation, I find in my limited knowledge or whatever it is, that it is actually a combination of various techniques. And now how the teacher has made the meditation, उसकी क्या टेक्निक है, वो मुझे over a period of time ही समझ में आएगा. धीरे धीरे करते करते मुझे ज्यादा समझ में आता है. But I don't think I have been able to truly understand the essence of this meditation the way the teacher must have made it, because I have not reached there yet. So, but whatever I practice and for the longer duration I practice, I have seen the benefits. तो मैं validate कर सकती हूँ कि हाँ.
So your point of concentration can be anything, inside also, in the mind also, or deep inside the body also. I mean, it can be the way your teacher teaches. So that's your answer.
No. I want to say something. ये सर, ये बाहर से अंदर आने की प्रक्रिया है. ये बाहर से सब कुछ हमारे भीतर ही है. आत्मा भी अंदर है, परमात्मा भी अंदर है. आप समझिए. और जब हम इसकी मेडिटेशन में जाते हैं तो हमको बहुत इंटरनल पीस मिलती है. हमारे जो कर्मास हैं वो जीरो हो जाते हैं. हमारा जो मन है वो जीरो हो जाता है. हमारी कनेक्टिविटी सब कुछ जीरो, पूरा टोटल सरेंडर विद गॉड. और जब आप कनेक्ट हो जाते हैं तो आपको अंदर से इतना आनंद मिलता है ना, आपकी फिजिकल प्रॉब्लम्स, आपकी मेंटल प्रॉब्लम सब खत्म होने लगती है. आप संसार से आप दूर होने लगते हैं, अपने शरीर से आप दूर होने लगते हैं. इट इज वंडरफुल 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 एक्सपीरियंस. आप कोशिश करिए, अभी आपको पता नहीं लग रहा है.
किसी में इतना पेशेंस ना हो तो किसी में पेशेंस ही ना हो, मतलब
पेशेंस आ जाएगा.
आपके लिए तो बहुत जरूरी है रेखा जी, आपके लिए तो बहुत जरूरी है. मैं
एक्चुअली ना मुझे
बात करेंगे.
मुझे क्या लगता है कि मेडिटेशन, see connection with God we can get in various ways. Some people can get a connection just by doing something good. Some people can get a connection just by visualizing a sunset. ओके, सो अब ये टेक्निक है. अब टेक्निक आपको दी गई है, आपके ऊपर है, आप यूज करेंगे इसको कि और किसी चीज को, जो भी आपको मन में शांति दे, जो भी आपको इनर पीसफुलनेस दे, जो भी आपकी लाइफ को बेहतर बनाए, जस्ट यूज दैट, दैट्स इट.
To maintain
absolutely. And ladies and gentlemen, I think this is a very personalized kind of way of looking at things. This is just a platform where we bring in new things for all of you. And whoever wants to take it whichever way, if you feel that, if you try it out, maybe it will help you. Some things we are not aware of, हमें कई बार समझ नहीं आती in terms of हम meditation को एक particular way से लेते हैं या spirituality को एक अलग way से देखते हैं. So सबका अपना अपना तरीका है to attain peace whichever way we want to. This is just one of the ways which Anupama is following, and that is what she has brought to us, and with those beautiful topics that she always does. So Anupama, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.
And on this very, very special day, I think आज हमारा special day तो था ही था with us having our first anniversary, and also the fact that you were here bringing in so much of positive energy and peace here. So I think both things worked very well together. So thank you so much, and once again, sorry we kept you waiting.
Thank you.
But glad to have you on this very, very special day with us.
Thank you, Anupama.
Thank you, Anupama. Thank you.
Thank you.
God bless you. God bless you.
Thank you,
God
Anupama.
bless
Thank you so much, so much.
This is my first day in this session.
Oh, Mr. Awadh, I'm so
thank you.
Mr. Awadh, I'm so
I like
sorry.
it very much.
We did not introduce you, but please do come tomorrow again. We will have a formal introduction, on this platform with you, wherein you can talk to all the other elders also. So, but really, really happy to have you here with us on this very special day.
So, are we going to meet tomorrow also?
Yes, we meet every day. You will be getting a message from your relationship manager. Except for Sundays, we meet every day until there's a holiday. For example, if there's Holi or some, national holiday, that is the day we don't meet.
I will participate definitely tomorrow.
So wonderful to hear that, and thank you for being here. Thank you so much, everyone, for being here. And just before you go, I'm sorry we had this technical glitch where you all could not see the video. So very quickly, we're going to have a look at that, because this was specially made for all of you. So Anupama, thank you so much once again, and we would love to have you again. As you know, I keep bothering you with being on this platform, but if you stay on till the end, that will be lovely. But if you, in case you need to go, we would totally understand. I leave it up to you.
Thank you.
Thank you. God bless
Thank you. Thank you, Ritu.
Right. Thank you so much once again, Anupama, for this wonderful, beautiful session. It really, really overwhelms me every time that you're here. So, ladies and gentlemen, a tribute to all of you once again. Good evening to all of you once again, and a very warm welcome to MoTV.
Good morning, Mira. I am dietitian Rashmi from Emoha Elder Care. Today we are here to talk about
आज की तारीख को पिछले साल लॉकडाउन शुरू हुआ था।
इस वैश्विक महामारी कोरोना से प्रभावी मुकाबले के लिए एकमात्र विकल्प है social distancing.
The entire world is reeling under the impact of coronavirus, with events and tournaments either being suspended, postponed, or cancelled.
These two, are you ready? We have Bhopale, Bastane,
Divane, and the fourth team is Anjane. Okay? Everyone, and a very warm welcome to Mo TV.
Transmission is only 1%. So therefore, prevention.
आज का सब्जेक्ट क्या है?
आज का सब्जेक्ट है 10 ways to eat food in your budget.
बजट
में बहुत थोड़ा सा पानी मिक्स करेंगे, फिर आप ये देखेंगे मेरे हाथ में ये ग्लास में है, ऐसा एक ड्रिंक बन जाएगा आपका।
एक दो ही मेडिसिन चाहिए जो यूजुअली डॉक्टर प्रिस्क्राइब करते हैं अनलेस इट बिकम्स कॉम्प्लिकेटेड।
Good evening, how wonderful to see you all, so very best of everybody, just gorgeous and absolutely awesome. Happy Valentine's Day tomorrow. Happy
Valentine's Day, Sagrika.
I love you. This one is for you, Janki Behemba.
Wishing you all a very, very happy Women's Day. Thank you. Hello everyone, and heartiest congratulations to each and every one of you. Today, we complete 1 year of Mo TV, and what a beautiful journey it has been with all of you here. It's been so enriching, such happy moments, such memories, and I hope that we continue this journey together, and it goes on and on and on forever and forever. Thank you.
Oh, it was so nice.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, that was all the last 1 year's memories that we brought to you. And of course, बहुत कुछ इसमें missing भी है because एक एक पल जो हमने एक दूसरे के साथ काटे हैं वो बहुत
very interesting. It was very interesting. Thank you.
Thank you.
I liked it.
And कुछ लाइनें बोलना चाहूंगी.
जी बोलिए.
मर्जी नहीं चलती तुझसे, मर्जी नहीं चलती तुझसे, राहें नहीं सजती तुझ बिन.
वाह.
है तो मैं हूँ, चलता रहे तेरा मेरा मीलों का याराना. तू चले तो चले मेरा आज, मेरा कल, हर राह पे ये दिल गाए तराना.
वाह.
चलता रहे तेरा मेरा मीलों का ये याराना.
Wow.
बहुत सुंदर, बहुत सुंदर.
Very.
So with that, we come to the end of today's special episode. Thank you so much for joining in. And thank you so much once again for being there throughout with us in this beautiful journey of 1 year. And of course, as usual, I cannot end without informing you all that we meet tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock sharp for the physiotherapy show. And then we meet for at 5 o'clock we meet again with the dietitian. And we also have a technical show tomorrow at 12 o'clock with Gaurav for all of you. So thank you so much, and keep smiling always, and keep being a part of Emoha and of MoTV. Thank you, and thank you so much for all the love and blessings that you all shower on all of us here. Without you, we would be nothing here. So from the whole team of Emoha, thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. God bless you. God bless you all.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Hanji, Mr. Bhamli.
Ritu, keep on singing.
आज का इतना बेसुरा गाना मैंने सुनाया, बट आज मैंने कहा मैं सबकी रंजिशें दूर कर दूं।
क्या बात कर रही है, ये तो बहुत बढ़िया था। इसी तरह गाती रहो,
ऐसा बेसुरा गाती रहो, कोई बात नहीं, हम सुनेंगे।
अगर ये बेसुरा है तो गाती रहो।
ऋतु मैम इतना अच्छा गाया आपने।
So we need to.
Anurag, yes, I have to thank Anurag especially because he was the one who actually was the first person to take episode or session on MoTV. So Anurag, thank you so much for doing what you're doing, and that goes for Priyanka, Rashmi, Dr. Baba, and for the whole back-end team also who helps out in everything. Without
Don't
that,
forget
we would
Dr.
not be here.
Parvez. Oh, Pinjar.
Oh, the whole physio, the physio actor team and the tech team and all the help that goes behind, and the product team and all. Without that, we would be nothing here. So thank you to everyone there also.
Ritu, we need to congratulate your mom for your great achievement.
Yes.
Yes, she must be really so happy to hear all this.
Yeah.
I hope so that I make my parents proud. I hope
must
so.
be, she must be.
We are very, very happy. Thank you so much.
Ritu,
and I hope someday my dad also hears this because he never comes on MoTV. So.
Okay, good. Do convey our congratulations. The mom is there, but I don't know about that.
Ritu, आप गाना शुरू करोगे तो मम्मी भी शुरू हो जाएगी.
For giving us such a nice daughter, you
yes.
We all
for sharing the daughter.
Sharing with us.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
God bless her. Without her, the MoTV would have not been so interesting, I tell you.
Thank you so much.
Vocabulary of Ritu is remarkable. इतने रोज ये share करके ले आती है. Bhai, I am amazed. You have become an inspiration for me to write things,
Beautiful. I'm going to compile a book of all the elders and publish it finally, all the poems and the writings and all that you do.
No.
So, thank you so much, everyone.
God bless.
And thanks, Ritu.
Thank you, and see you all tomorrow. Bye and take care.
Bye.
Good
night, Ritu. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, everyone. Good night.
Bye. Good night.
Bye. Good evening, everyone. Take care.